Hey everybody, it's the Doll Boy, and I'm so excited about today's doll makeover. Today, we're taking a look at another rainbow high doll and give her a full-on Billie Eilish makeover. If you're familiar with the rainbow high dolls, you've probably seen the comparisons between the green doll and Billie Eilish. Personally, I really love seeing dolls that are inspired by pop culture, so I wanted to take that extra step and try to fully create a rainbow high Billie Eilish doll. If you're excited about this idea, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more doll makeovers. To get the actual doll, I went to the Dutch toy store Intertoys, where to my surprise, I found quite a lot of rainbow high dolls. I do already have reviews on my channel for Violet, Sunny, and Ruby. And today, it's Jade's turn. Every time I've gotten one of these dolls, I'm still amazed about how stunning this packaging is, with that really clear front that showcases the doll and the second outfit so well. Then on the back, just like for the other dolls we've seen, it has this metallic rainbow background that says Rainbow High in gold, and it showcases all the girls in the first wave, including the one I got today, which is the green character, Jade Hunter. And like always, it reads, "Welcome to Rainbow High, the boldly colorful fashion school where everybody learns to flaunt their true colors." I think I've mentioned the colors of the 6 characters on the bottom in all of my reviews now, but on Jade's box they actually match up, which I really appreciate. And now, let's get her out of the box. To do this, I'm gonna start by cutting the tape on the side, top, and bottom to make it really easy for me to fold open the back of the box. This gives you access to the cardboard backing that holds the doll and the other cardboard that holds that second outfit Jade comes with, and the doll stand as well. Since Jade's main color is green, her doll stand will be green as well. These dolls also come with some clothing hangers, which is really cute when you like to display your doll's outfits. For the second outfit, you get 3 pieces, with these really cute light green sweatpants that say rainbow on the sides, with some black and white stripes as well. On the top, there's a very cute Rainbow High logo in white, and these sweatpants have 2 black strings. Around the waist, there's this elastic waistband, as well as an elastic around the ankles. She has this really cool matching bomber jacket with that zipper detail that we've seen on a couple of other pieces, some black color blocking on the top of the sleeves, and some really nicely made faux pocket details as well, with a black ribbon that says rainbow. This jacket also has that elastic band on the bottom and on the sleeves too, which I'm a really big fan of. She has this white t-shirt with a black print that says RH and green letters that spell out rainbow. This print has a really cool look, which almost gives you that DIY feel, and I'm really curious to see more of her in the animated series, because I can imagine she will be making this t-shirt herself for the fashion show they have to do. The shirt velcros in the back, which is really nice for easy redressing. Her shoes are these white sneakers with light green soles and these green studded straps around them. The studs are painted gold, just like the RH logo on the back of these shoes. Then it's finally time to take a look at the actual doll. For this, I take her off the cardboard first, so we can remove her from that plastic backing more easily. On that cardboard backing, you will also find her green comb. What I noticed about this doll right away is that the shoes Jade is wearing have these bright pink bottoms and these transparent soles, which I think looks so incredibly cool. The doll is wearing these short, bright green sweatbands with black letters on them that also have the black strings we saw for the longer sweatbands. I really love that detail because it makes them look so realistic. The black t-shirt she's wearing says Anti-Sparkle Sparkle Club, and she's wearing this very cool green puffer jacket. I would have loved for this jacket to be even puffier, but the effect is already very cool. These pieces are all separate, so you can also just let her wear that black shirt if you want to. Jade's wearing this light green beanie that's held in place with some tags to the doll's head, but it can be removed if you carefully cut those off. Underneath her beanie, you can see that she's wearing her hair in a side part, which I really love. The hair underneath is a little messy, with these gelled pieces in the front, but that should be pretty easy to fix. The doll also comes with these green earrings that are easily removable, and they're very similar to the ones Sunny came with. For her face, Jade has these light brown eyebrows, and she does not have the sparkly eyeshadow that we've seen on the other dolls, but it's this green paint on the eyelids and this light brown color under her eyes, which gives her a very nice makeup look that's a bit more natural than the others. Then for her lips, Jade's wearing this nude color. Her eyes are this green and blue combination that I think looks so striking. Of course, she does have the real lashes, like all of these dolls have so far. What I also wanted to show you very quickly is that even though both of her shoes are flat, she still has the pointed toes like the other girls. So all the other Rainbow High girls are gonna be able to wear these sneakers as well, and Jade is also able to wear their heels. I also wanted to give a quick update because I did manage to get this doll to stand on her own. And now, it's time for my hair dyeing experiment. The first round of hair dyeing, I tried using the Dylon fabric dye in intense black. I also added some acid to the mixture, because this should help the dye to really get into the nylon hair. To be sure I like the results before committing to the full hair, I'm gonna do a test strand first, and as you'll see in a bit, I highly recommend this step when you're trying something like this. So I pour some of that dye powder in a cup, add some of the acid in there too, and then I'm adding some really hot water. As you can see, I already braided all of Jade's hair out of the way, except for this thin strand in the back that I'll be dyeing right now. I'm gonna wet this section first to make sure the hair won't float in that fabric dye mixture. Then I simply dip the strand in the dye about halfway in there because I want to keep those roots bright green like Billie Eilish. I wanted to let the hair dye sit for a little while, but after about 10 minutes, the dye moved up the hair a lot, so I felt like it was definitely time to rinse that out. Right away, I saw that the results were not what I was going for, because that dyed part turned this orangey brown color instead of the black I was hoping for. It did make sense that this dye didn't work though, since fabric dye often doesn't work on plastic. So I ordered this other brand of dye called IDye Poly, that's designed especially for polyester and nylon blends, so this should work a lot better. It comes with 1 pack of color and 1 pack of color intensifier that you're supposed to mix together in constantly boiling water and then let the plastic sit for about an hour. Because I don't want to heavily damage the hair by letting it boil for such a long time, I simply mix the dye and intensifier with boiling water in this container. This also allows me to have more control over which parts of the hair I'm dyeing. Once again, I'm dyeing a test strand first to make sure I get the desired color. For this, I did add some hair to the test strand that was all green, so I can see how that turns out as well. Now I simply dip this in the same way we did the first time, and after letting it sit for a couple minutes, I already decided to look at the results, and this honestly looked very promising to me. That's why I went all in and started wetting all of the ends. I laid her down to make sure the roots of the hair did not get dyed, and all of the ends were in the glass container. After about 15 minutes, I noticed that this dye moved up the hair quite a lot as well, so I decided to rinse that out already. This was definitely a lot closer to the result than that first dye method I tried, which was really exciting. It did take me quite a while to rinse all of this out until the water ran clear, so I really took my time with this. The dyed parts of the hair did feel more dry than before dyeing it, so I am adding some hair conditioner to the hair to make it more smooth again. I really focused this on the ends to make sure the green hair doesn't get the black in it. After letting that first round of dyeing dry, you can see that it's more of a dark green color than that actual black we were going for. So I went in again and did the exact same process a second time, which did give me more of that true black. This process did give my doll some gray stains on her skin, as you can see on her face, legs, and hands. So you really want to be careful with this, and if you want to try this out at home, it might be smart to wrap the doll before dyeing the hair. And overall, be careful with the dyed hair touching your doll's skin, because it can still transfer even when it's dry. Overall though, I really love her look like this, and I'm so happy that I gave this a try. If you like this video and the makeover I gave Jade, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more makeover videos like this. Also, make sure to comment down below to let me know which other rainbow high dolls you'd want to see me give a makeover to. For more pictures of my dolls, also follow me on Instagram @thedollboy. See you next time!